Okay, part two of the 2024 GasGas 65 versus 2023 65. So couple other differences. People were talking about the grips. So they're 7/8. Well, they go on 7/8 bars, but it seems like they're a smaller diameter than what we run the EMIG ODI lock-ons. So these are whatever like the 23 came with. These are the same thing, same diameter. So I just had this out here. He rode it, and I'm getting ready to clean this filter. But the way this filter is way nicer than last year's. So you can see the shape of it, but the way that it clips in, so just that tab, just like on the, the way we're used to on the big bikes with the tab, and it goes right there. And then this, once the tab goes in there on the back, it's kind of hard to do it with just one hand, but it's got this little deal right there, pivots over and snaps down, locks it in place. It's a really good design. Then, we've got the 23 model. I like the new way of doing it better because you don't get all the oil from the filter all inside the air box and dirty, and have to go back in there and wipe it up and clean it up. So there's those grips for the 23, and those are the ODIs that it comes with. And then the plugs. So it came with, this is the 23, the LR8B, and then the Brisk plug. That's the actual part number. And then the model number of the plug is 071C3. So you can tell it's quite a bit longer plug. It's almost like a 4-stroke plug. And I've got the NGK cross reference for the new one. I just can't remember it off the top of my head, but I'll put it in the comments. All right, thanks guys.